how to dislike all liked reels on Instagram. So in order to dislike all the liked reels on Instagram, all you have to do is actually simply open up the Instagram app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right, the three lines option from the top right. Then from here you will simply find the option called Your Activity. So simply go to Your Activity here. Then right here under Interactions, you'll find the option called Likes. So you can simply tap on Likes. Now since we want to only dislike the reels, by default everything will show up. So to select the reels, select all content types from the top right, then only check the reels option and uncheck the other one. Then tap on the Apply button. Then over here only the reels will show up. Now to begin unliking them, tap on the Select option from the top right, and you can select all the reels that you have liked on Instagram. Then you can simply tap on the Unlike button from the bottom. And this way you will be able to dislike all the liked reels on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.